Hello, everybody. Today I want to talk about a story about a turtle. Last week, my son came back home after he and his daddy and his young sister ran after jogging. Each morning, they went out for jogging and then have a breakfast. My son was so excited to tell me, "Mom, I found a turtle." I was in the kitchen. I couldn't believe that. How could a turtle come from? So my son was excited to show me a turtle. It's very small. It's just around 5 to 10 centimeter. So how the turtle come from? My son found it near the meadow. So the turtle is black and his shell is very rough. It's not smooth, just like a pet turtle. So we guess the turtle is crawling from the river because there is a bridge across the river. So we guess the turtle is living near the river. So in the morning he may crawl to somewhere just to have fun, and then my son see the turtle. My son is looking forward to have a pet. For example, he often asks us when we can have a dog because he loves dog. So after breakfast, our family is trying to find a large, comfortable place for the turtle to live. It's large enough so the turtle can crawl everywhere, because we think it may be comfortable for this little turtle. And we even search online to website to find what the turtle likes to eat. We found it will eat aqua plant, insects, and so on. So we even find a fly to feed the turtle, but unfortunately the turtle didn't eat anything. So in the afternoon, we are worried about the turtle's life, because if a turtle doesn't eat anything for a couple of days, it may die. So we told our son about this, and we think the best way is to send the turtle back to the nature. So my son thought about for a long time. We could tell he was loving this turtle and didn't want to let it go. But after finally he decided to agree with us, and so after dinner, my son and went with his dad and young sister to set the turtle back home. Next morning, they even went to the riverside and saw if they can match the turtle again. Of course, they didn't met the turtle again. So although the turtle even only stay with us for less than a day, only the daytime, but we have a feeling about this turtle just like it it is one of our family member, and we hope it can grow strong and have a happy life, and in the future it may have a big family to live with it. So I think we are very proud of our son. From this action, he showed his love to animal. So we are very proud and moved, and this is why I want to share this story with you. And I hope everyone can be gentle and kind to wildlife, and to everyone in our community, in our society, in our planet. And I hope in the future we may meet one day. Bye bye.